Hello everyone. Today we are going to be doing a complete demolition of this kitchen and mud room floor, removing linoleum, carpet, glue, and a bunch of other surprises that came up. Alright, let's get started. So after the carpet was removed, which is fairly straightforward, you just pull it. There's a bunch of glue, and this is over a slab. So only the mudroom has concrete. So I was able to tease out most of the glue just by using a scraper. I also scraped off the linoleum with the scraper in the kitchen area, but it was definitely a lot trickier, a little more elbow grease. So because the cabinets are already installed, I actually have to cut away this compressed board in order to pull it up without damaging any of the cabinets. This is one of the wonderful surprises that I found after pulling up all of the linoleum. Unfortunately, they did not have OSB. Instead, they have this particle board, and because particle board is not structurally sound enough to have tile on it, I actually have to pull up the entire thing, and pulling up particle board is no fun. A lot of work. Now it's time to put down the cement board. Beneath it, I have LFT thin-set mortar to help fill in any odd little gaps. Because I'm working with existing cabinets, it's a little tricky, just like any remodel, so I have to slide them in. I always hammer in all the screws on cement board before I screw them in, just to make the process a little bit quicker. Very important to always tape all the seams on cement board. If you don't do this, the tile will crack. So always tape and mortar down all of the seams. The other side of this floor has a slab instead of the wood flooring that you see here, so I did add a Detra sheet on there to try to bring everything to the same height. There was a height difference of about 1/8 of an inch, and that helped to kind of level things off a bit. Also, to help with the height difference, I did use a 1/4 inch trowel here with the cement board sheet, so that entire row actually is slightly off as well. All of this is to make sure that I get the same level throughout the entire floor. It's a little tricky, just like particle board and everything else, but this is just how remodels are. This last step is a crack isolation membrane. It's a liquid applied membrane. So essentially you have to wait for 24 hours, wait for all of your subfloor to cure. If you apply this, it really helps with the longevity of the floor, especially with cement board. It can sometimes move a little too much. This really helps to maintain the structural integrity of your tiled floor. Really helps so that you don't get cracks on grout and things like that. It's also really easy to apply, so easy step, and it helps with a bunch of different issues. And that's it. We have a full floor ready for tile. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.